remove this Tray-1, remove the papers. Okay, remove completely outside by pulling upside like this. ఇలా మీద ఉండండి దాన్ని ऊपर उठा के थोड़ा keep कीजिए. Okay, now keep this tray on a flat surface. Okay, now we need to replace this feed roller and this friction pad. Okay, for this you need to remove this rod from this side. There is a lock here. Zoom. There is a lock here. See here, there is a lock. You need to remove this lock. Take the help of PC. You can easily, okay, easily change this, easily remove this. Use two testers or screwdrivers. Okay. 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 Remove this. Okay. Now remove this rod outside. Slowly. Now change this feed roller. There is a lock here. Pull out and remove this. Here also there is a lock. Pull. Now take new feed roller. Pull up and take like this. It will do. Okay. See here. You need to fix these two in this. Automatically it fix it lock here. Okay, ఆ తర్వాత దీన్ని తీయండి friction pad. It's very easy friction pad. There is a two lock system here. Pull up and remove this. Remove these springs from here. Okay, place to new one. Place to new friction pads and place here like this. It's very easy. And press. Okay, that's it. Here there is a lock. 3 lock. 1, 2, 3. It will be like this. Now place the roller again carefully here. ఇది బయటికి వస్తుంది. నేను లోపలనే ప్రెస్ చేయండి. And you need to remove the rod little bit outside. ఈ రాడ్ ఇలా బయటికి రావాలి. थोड़ा बाहर आ जाता. There is a lock system here. Okay, replacing this one and this one, and just adjust these things. The rod will be little out, and again place this lock here. ये लॉक लगा देना. ये rod बाहर नहीं आने के लिए. ये rod మనం ఈ లాక్ ను పెట్టాలి ఇది బయటికి రాకుండా ఉండడానికి. ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ అలాగే ప్రెస్ చేసేయాలి. Take the help of PC. You can easily see here. That's it. It will be like this. ఇలా rotate అవుతుంది. That's it. This is the replacement of friction pad and feed roller. And place this Tray-1 again to your Xerox machine like this. Just press, pull up gently and close.